house in Minecraft using nether stuff and some other stuff from Minecraft and the new update stuff. So let's get to the tutorial. Never mind. So you're gonna start out with a 4-block high, just like this one, and then 4 blocks like this. So yeah, this is a very easy house to make, and you can almost get all this stuff in the nether. So do the exact same thing over a couple times. Nope. Doop doop. Doop doop. I mean. You should get a shape like this, and then you break this exactly like that. So you're gonna grab these 2 blocks like that and put the door on. Now we're gonna build the roof part. So make 2 like that, and then them like this. Now you're gonna be doing it like this. Just like this. Okay. Now it should look something like this. And we go onto the top of it. You should get a design like that. Now you're gonna do this like a normaler house that you do in Minecraft. Just like that. So then you're gonna bring a block up like a slab of the same color up just like this. Okay. Now when you're done doing that, let's go inside. Grab the glass and start putting them in like this. Okay. Now break the ground just like me. Okay, just like this. Now you're gonna be doing what I'm doing like this. You're gonna be making like a bathroom like a kitchen pattern or bathroom. Now you can use any kind of nether block, but I like this particular design. Okay, here you go, that's the inside of it. Now we are going to be getting the new blocks. Okay, now we're going to go on to this, go down, grab a chain, go back up, go down, and grab some, this. Put the chains like that, and then put the carpet on it. So yes, these are brand new the chains are brand new from the new update, 1.16. So now grab a bed, any kind of your color that you like. And I'm going to put it right there. Okay. Okay, now you're going to be grabbing a end rod and some sea lantern. And when you put this on like this, you get kind of like a chandelier. Okay, now we're going to be grabbing some of the new armor from the awesome new update 1.16 and an armor stand. You're going to be putting this right in the corner. Oh. Just like that. Okay, now we're going to go back down and grab the chains. And you can use any kind of grill you want for this. Put them right in front of the window again. And build them up. Just like that. Okay, now on this side over here, grab some bookshelves and a crafting table. Build this almost all the way up to right about there. Put the crafting tables on top. Right there, we're going to grab an end chest. Put those two right there. Now you're probably wondering, this probably is done, right? Well, it's almost done, I should say. What we're going to be grabbing now is... Yes, oh yeah, they're up here. We're going to be grabbing chairs, but not just any kind of chairs. The brand new chairs. You can use any kind you want. I'm going to be using this one, the kind that kind of looks like a brick. Now you're going to put them like right there. And there you go. This is how to make a 1.16 nether styled house update. And I hope you like this tutorial. I can never get that word right. Ah! Well, never mind. This is how build